the regret of the things you didn't do. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Don't care what they say about you. Don't care what they think about you. Because you will die someday and nothing else matters. Nothing else matters about you. You can experience an infinite number of lives much, much, much better than the life you live right now. It just depends on your choices. Living is what matters. Make mistakes, live, play, create, dance. Be wild and beautiful. Be bold. Experiment, learn. I have heard that you say, I don't care about that person at all. So why do their criticisms matter to you? Why? No one cares about you as much as they care about themselves, and that's true. People are really busy with themselves because they can't be as bold as you, because they want a lot what you have, a lot of what you have actually, because people are lazy and lack willpower, so they blame you, so you can be embarrassed and back off. You learned everything you dared to do. Yeah, you started, you failed, you experienced so many things, you learned, you grow. Bravo. Why worry about making mistakes? Again, you have to make mistakes and learn from them. Well, make mistakes, just don't stand still. Move. Keep going. Let go of what you can't control. Don't care about worthless things. You shouldn't let regret, not just regret, regrets remain in you. So experience anything you want. Because the biggest And worse pain is the pain of regret. The regret of the desires you wanted, the regret of the words you can't, you didn't say. And as I said, the regret of the things you didn't do. So, honey, make mistakes and don't stay still. Move, move, move. Be bold, be wild, be beautiful, be creative. Make mistakes and live. Okay? Always remember there is only one you. Okay? You cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place. Okay? I love you. Bye.